My grandma's notebook revealed this secret to me. Just add laundry detergent to boiling water, and the effect will be amazing. Even the toughest stains on towels and dishcloths will come off easily. This trick takes only a moment. First, prepare a pot and pour in about 1 quart of water. Cover it with a lid, bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat. Our first magic ingredient is baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons to the pot. The next one is laundry detergent, also 2 tablespoons. Stir everything well. Now place the dirty towels in the pot, mix them a little, cover, and let them simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. After that, pour everything into a bowl. Take it to the sink and rinse the towels under running water. Once you rinse them thoroughly, put them in the washing machine as usual. After the wash, look closely. The stains are gone, even the worst ones. I hope this helps, and that you'll start using this trick too.